Have you ever made a big financial decision only to regret it later? You're not alone. Whether it's impulsively buying something you didn't need or making a poor investment because of a market dip, many people struggle with making smart financial choices. But what if you could make decisions with confidence, without second-guessing yourself later? In today's video, we're going to explore the top 5 ways to improve your financial decision-making, helping you avoid the most common mistakes and set yourself up for financial success. We'll dive into strategies you can implement immediately, whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to fine-tune your approach. Let's get started. 1. Establish a formal financial plan. Making smart financial decisions begins with a clear plan. It's like a roadmap guiding you through your financial journey. Without it, you might find yourself wandering, unsure where to go next. The first step is to create a written budget. Now, I know it sounds simple, but most people don't track their expenses closely enough. By documenting your income and your essential expenses, you'll have a clear picture of where your money is going. But budgeting isn't just about tracking. It's about setting goals. To make sound decisions, you need a vision of where you're headed. Divide your goals into categories. Short-term goals, which are things you want to achieve within the next few years, such as saving for a vacation or a new car. Intermediate goals, like purchasing a home or paying off student loans within 5 to 15 years. And long-term goals, like planning for retirement. This structure helps you stay focused and aligned with your financial priorities. Now, here's where many people go wrong. They skip professional advice. While it's important to set your own goals, consulting a financial advisor can make all the difference. A financial advisor can help you design a strategy that fits your unique circumstances, whether you're risk-averse or willing to take on more risk for higher rewards. They can also help you navigate complex decisions like investing, taxes, and retirement plans. 2. Implement cooling-off periods. How many times have you rushed into a decision and later regretted it? Maybe it was an expensive gadget you didn't need or a stock you bought based on a hunch. The truth is, impulsive decisions rarely end well. One of the best ways to avoid this is by implementing a cooling-off period. For larger financial decisions, such as buying a car, investing in the stock market, or taking out a loan, give yourself a 24 to 48-hour break before you commit. This brief pause allows you to step back, clear your mind, and think more rationally. The excitement or fear that led to your initial decision may settle, and you might find that your impulse was not the best course of action. Cooling off periods also give you the time to reflect on whether this decision truly aligns with your long-term goals or if it's driven by momentary emotions. Taking this step can also prevent you from succumbing to buyer's remorse or regretting a hasty purchase once the initial excitement fades. During the cooling off period, you may realize that the decision was made in the heat of the moment rather than after careful consideration. It gives you an opportunity to reassess and possibly explore alternatives that better suit your needs. Another important strategy is avoiding impulsive reactions to market shifts. It's easy to panic when the market crashes, but reacting out of fear is never a good idea. Instead of making drastic moves in response to short-term market fluctuations, set aside time to regularly review your portfolio. Schedule annual or quarterly checkups, during which you can assess your investments based on a longer-term perspective, not just the latest market news. 3. Prioritize financial safety nets. The best financial decisions are made when you're not under pressure. One of the most important steps you can take is to prioritize building a financial safety net. Life has a way of throwing curveballs, whether it's a sudden job loss, an unexpected medical expense, or urgent home repairs. Having a financial cushion can save you from making rash decisions during a crisis. Start by building an emergency fund that covers at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This fund should be easily accessible, such as in a high-yield savings account, so that you can tap into it when life throws you a curveball. The peace of mind that comes with having money set aside is invaluable. It allows you to make decisions from a place of strength rather than panic. Additionally, an emergency fund gives you the flexibility to explore opportunities without worrying about financial insecurity. It provides a buffer, allowing you to focus on long-term financial growth rather than short-term survival. It's the foundation upon which all other financial strategies can stand strong. Next, paying down high-interest debt is crucial. High-interest debts, like credit card balances, can drain your finances and make it harder to grow your wealth. While saving for emergencies is important, it's equally essential to focus on eliminating debt that's holding you back. By doing both simultaneously, you free up more resources for other financial goals, such as investing or building wealth. 4. Practice mental pots and automation. Financial decisions can become overwhelming when your money is all mixed together. Where do you allocate it first? A great way to simplify things is by adopting the concept of mental pots. This involves mentally dividing your money into separate categories based on its purpose. For example, one pot for retirement, another for emergencies, and another for daily living expenses. This mental separation helps you stay focused on each goal and reduces the temptation to dip into your long-term savings for short-term wants. Additionally, you can assign different priorities to each pot depending on your current life stage. If you're closer to retirement, for instance, you might allocate more money to your retirement pot and less to your discretionary spending. As your financial situation changes, you can adjust the amounts in each pot, ensuring that your money works for your current needs while still preparing for the future. Alongside this, automation is key. One of the biggest struggles many people face is remembering to save consistently. The solution is simple: automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account, retirement fund, or investment account. When saving becomes automatic, it happens without you having to think about it. This not only helps you stay disciplined, but it also reduces the likelihood of spending the money before you save it. There are several apps and financial tools that can help you track your spending, set up budget categories, and automate savings. These tools can make budgeting simpler and prevent you from making manual errors. By automating as much as possible, you can focus on the bigger picture and let technology handle the details. 5. That reduce emotional noise and biases. One of the biggest barriers to good financial decision-making is emotional bias. Our feelings often cloud our judgment, leading us to make decisions based on fear or greed. For instance, when the market dips, fear of losing money may prompt you to sell off investments, even when it's not in your best interest. On the flip side, greed may lead you to chase after risky opportunities in search of a quick profit. To combat this, start by recognizing your emotional triggers. One psychological bias, known as loss aversion, can lead you to act impulsively when you experience a loss. The pain of losing money feels more intense than the joy of gaining it, which can cause you to sell a loss when you should be holding steady. Understanding this can help you stay calm and avoid rash decisions. Another way to reduce emotional bias is by tuning out external noise. Whether it's financial news, social media influencers, or even well-meaning friends and family, external voices can often trigger unnecessary fear or excitement. It's important to stay grounded and make decisions based on your goals and plan, not the latest headlines or social media trends. By focusing on your own financial objectives, you'll be able to filter out distractions and stay true to your long-term vision. This approach helps you avoid making decisions driven by the fear of missing out or the pressure of others' opinions. And there you have it, the 5 proven ways to make better financial decisions. By creating a formal financial plan, giving yourself a cooling-off period before acting, prioritizing financial safety nets, using automation to simplify your savings, and tuning out emotional noise, you can start making smarter, more informed financial choices today. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with someone who could use these insights, and subscribe for more practical financial advice. Remember, your financial future starts with the decisions you make today, so make them count. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.